My name is Jim Schatzel, president and founder of Team Life. 911, where's your emergency? Every 2.2 seconds in America, there's a call to 911. Many are requests for an ambulance. Every 90 seconds in America, someone suffers sudden cardiac arrest. It's about 1,000 people a day, every day, with a healthy population. The survival rate for sudden cardiac arrest is only 5 to 7%. Survival is low because many people in sudden cardiac arrest do not have CPR started or an AED applied to them prior to first responders arriving. Average response times for an ambulance in America is 8 to 12 minutes in the best of times. Brain death occurs in 10 minutes following sudden cardiac arrest. In normal situations, 70% of sudden cardiac arrest happen at home. With the COVID-19 pandemic, think of the people that are home now. Think about the people that normally have an automated external defibrillator at their place of work. Think about the children that are protected by having AEDs at schools and their sports fields. Think about how unprepared most of us are at home. You probably have more resources at work than you do at home for emergencies. Many work environments have AEDs, first aid kits, and train people to respond to medical and injury calls. Our schools have nurses, AEDs, first aid supplies, and response teams to respond in emergencies. This is a time to look at basic equipment like a well-stocked trauma kit that includes an AED for the house. This is a time to download the Team Life CPR app on your phone. This is a time to take a CPR, AED, and first aid class. Team Life, based in Colts Neck, New Jersey, has been preparing businesses, schools, places of worship, and private homes to deal with emergencies for over 25 years. In this uncertain time, we have come up with a home emergency package, which includes an AED, mobilized rescue trauma kit, an online CPR, AED, and first aid class, and the Team Life CPR cell phone app. Please visit us at teamlife.com for more details. God bless and stay safe.